So I've got here a Husqvarna bli300 battery, but as you can see the case is a bit damaged there. So I've got a new case. I just thought I'd show you how to replace it. So you need a torque screw driver. That's the little 6-pointed star. Undo the screw on each corner. Then the top just lifts out. Get the screws out there. Be careful of the exposed metal on the battery. You don't want to short circuit any of that. So there's a plug at the bottom that needs to come loose as the battery slides out. So that's the case free. You can replace the whole unit, or you can replace just the front. I've got a whole new box here, so the battery just drops in. Again, I'm going to need to make sure that this the plug assembly slides in correctly into the little grooves in the case. There we go. And then the new front goes in. You just squeeze the side clips a bit to get it to slide over. Okay, that's good. And then get the screws back in. Okay, job done. Press the button, still working fine, and that's all ready to go with a new case on it.